Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. I hope each and everybody out there doing great and having good health. In this video, I'm going to explain creative solutions from chapter 4, and this is all about bullets and guns. See, the question is that the stem is a bullet of mass 10 gram was fired from an efficient gun of 3 kilogram mass at a velocity of 600 meter per second to targeted. The bullet missed the target to enter a tree of 4.5 meter and stopped. So when we see this type of stem, that we must think about that what are the data is given. You see the bullet of mass 10 grams, so we can say the small m is 10 gram and we must convert it into kilogram. So if we divide 10 by 1000, it will convert it into kilogram. So it would be 0.01 kilogram. So this is the mass of bullet, so it's given here, and the mass of the guns is 3 kilograms. So we can think about the capital M is 3 kilogram, and then the velocity of the bullet is 600 meter per second, and this is the velocity of bullet. The question is, the stem is, the part is that the bullet missed the target to enter a tree of 4.5 meter. Suppose this is the tree. We can actually imagine this is the tree, and then it actually enters after 4.5 meter. So after 4.5 meter, when it enters after 4.5 meter, then it stopped. When it is said this is stopped, we must know the velocity, the final velocity is 0. So if we think about a diagram, that this is the bullet which is entering into the tree, and after crossing 4.5 meter, the final velocity is 0. So this is the stem about. So the first question is, as it is a creative question, it has 4 different questions. Number 1 is, what is inertia? We know that everybody has the tendency to remain in the same state as it is. If the body is at rest, it continues to be at rest. On the other hand, if the body is in motion, it continues to be in motion. This tendency or the property of a body to maintain its own state is called the inertia. Now you think the second question is explain the third law of Galileo of freely falling bodies. And you know there are 3 actually laws of the Galileo's, and the third law is all about the h is proportional to t square. That means that the distance traversed by the freely falling bodies from the rest in a given time, this is the time, is directly proportional to the square of the time. So we can say that if a freely falling bodies pass a distance of like h1, h2 and h3 at the time of t1, t2 and t3, then we can say that h1 by t1 square is equal to h2 by t2 square is equal to h3 by t3 square. So this is the part of the third law of Galileo. So we can say this is the third law of Galileo in short. And the third question is, determine the backward velocity of the gun. So we know the principle of the backward velocity is that the momentum of gun plus the momentum of bullet is 0. So we know that this is the mass of gun, the velocity of gun, the mass of bullet and the velocity of bullet. So the question is to ask about v. So it would be minus mv by m. So we can say that this m is 0.01 kilogram plus times 600 over 3 kilogram. So altogether it would be minus 2 meter per second, and this is the backward velocity. it will definitely come at minus. So this minus means this is backward velocity. The last question is determine the magnitude of opposing force on the bullet. So if we need to find out the force, we need to know this is the rules, and we need to find out acceleration. As we know that acceleration is v minus u by t, so now we need to find t. From the figure, we know that bullet was entering into the 600 meter per second. So this is the initial velocity, 600 meter per second, and the final velocity was 0, and the distance was covered by it is 4.5 meter. So this is s. So we have v, u and s. We need to find the time, and for that we need to think about it in a way like that s is equal v plus u by 2 into t, because we have s, u, v, and we need to find the value of t. So we know that the t is equal to s v plus u. So if you see that this is 2 times s is 4.5 meter, v is actually 600 plus 0. So it would be like altogether 2 times 9 by 600, it would be 0.015 second. This is the time. So the question is, how much time was spent for crossing the distance? This is the time that was spent to crossing this distance. Now the question is how to find f. So we know that f is equal ma, so we can say that previously like this, v minus u over t. So we can say this is m, so this is the mass of the bullet, 0.01 times v is actually 0 minus 600, and t is that 0.015. If you do the calculation, it would be nearly minus 400 Newton, and this minus means this velocity, I mean the force, is actually the opposite of the directions, because the bullet was going through in these directions, so it was stopped because the force was acting on the opposite directions of the bullet, and that is why this negative sign. So it's the negative sign that is the opposing force. So that is the opposing force, this is the negative one. So according to the questions and the stream of it, the data is 400 Newton is the force that will be used, and this is the amount of time that is spent, and this is the background, so backward motion of the gun. So this is a very short descriptions of these creative questions, and this is very common. When you see this type of questions, please try to find out the data what is given and try to draw a figure which will be easy for you to visualize the concept, and that would be much more better. So I'm coming up with another creative questions on the next video. Keep in touch with me, and after the videos as watching that, and after that let me know that do you really understand it and is it really helpful for you. Take care, stay well.